Always wait 5 to 10 minutes before depowering. And here we have a problem, 2001 to 2003 Priuses. If you left the car in neutral or park with the key on, guess what? The battery went dead. When this happened, there were only 5 chargers in the whole United States that Toyota reps would come around and try to get these things started. Now every Toyota Lexus dealer has a charger. There's no backup starter motor on this, like some of the GMs or some of the Honda vehicles. Here, they had a recall for a battery campaign. Always look at TSBs, technical service bulletins. Inside the Gen 1 converter, you see these caps right here? There's nothing that cover them. You see this cover? If this car goes under a vehicle, let's say under the back of a tractor trailer, you hit the metal part to those terminals, you're going to hear like a huge explosion, okay? Like about 20 M80s going off at once, if not worse than that.